Good afternoon, and thank you for stopping by to grab some knowledge about what is new on the market today. This is your girl Silva at Keller Williams of Stanford. In this segment, I will touch upon three main questions we ask ourselves quite often today. 1. What is the cost of waiting for investing in real estate? 2. One of the huge financial differences between the New York and the Connecticut buyers' financial outcome of investing in real estate and how this affects the current market conditions in Connecticut. And 3, the naked truth, how I like to say it, about real estate in just 2 simple graphs. In the first graph, presented by Tammy Kranich of Total Mortgage, Tammy is showing a comparison about the gains and losses between investing in the purchase of a property of $500,000 on one hand and making the decision to wait for the interest rate to go down on the other. In the first case, you are tapping into the opportunity to earn home equity of about $25,000 during the first year of home ownership. And in the second case scenario, you're earning as little as less than $2,000 for the entire year, facing higher prices, diminished buying power, where inflation is eating up your savings, and at the end you are finding yourself in a situation where you're not even at zero. Your buying power is down by at a minimum of 10% of where it is right now, and you're purchasing a way more expensive property than you could right now. And this has been the case year after year after year after year. It is a proven fact that we cannot time the market. And there is a reason for the saying that the best time to invest in real estate is always now. In Connecticut, we are witnessing a major factor contributing to the situation with supply being at all times low and demand being at all times high. The massive migration of New Yorkers to Connecticut. One very interesting fact is shared in the second graph by Jessica Hastings of Total Mortgage, where she's comparing the closing costs for a Connecticut and a New York buyer. The example is showing a purchase price of $1 million and above in both cases, where New Yorkers pay mansion tax of $10,000 above anything else, visibly higher than what it is in Connecticut. This is a difference of about $15,000 altogether in higher closing costs, let alone the fact that the square footage here is at much lower rate than what it is in New York. This is leading us to the last 2 graphs I'm sharing with you, which I like to refer to as the naked truth about the real estate in Connecticut. You can scroll down and take a look. You can see here the past 10-year trajectory of price and a real estate inventory across the board in Connecticut. Let's get together and review it locally for the market you're in and interested to be in. I like to say that these are the 2 types of people: the ones who build wealth through real estate and the rest who don't. I don't want to put you on the spot and ask you which group you belong to. The question is first, why are you positioning yourself in the group of your choice? And next is to show you how this can change with just one short conversation, which I offer to schedule at any time at your convenience. Looking forward to your call at 203-253-1565. I have the tools and the expertise to listen, educate, and then execute as your fiduciary in the best interest of your future success. I'm offering to think and elaborate on any real estate subject you need to know about. And thank you again for stopping by, and to success. Bye-bye.